Coming next batsman, LB Sunil. LB Sunil on striking. Another side, the captain of Vizag Blue CC, Mohammad Azam on non-striking. Great bowling by the bowler Prasant. Good thinking. Well done, Prasant. Comfortably single taken. Great stop by the fielder, Gautam. Oh, it's for the match. 6 signal by the umpire. Ball is started with boundary and with scoreboard is running now. It is batting. Chance of a run out. No, it's not yet. It's not out. Oh, hit it hard. It's the biggest sixer in this match. 6 signal by the umpire. He need only 2 runs to complete his half century in this match. Good play by the batsman. Comfortable single taken. Great effort by the batsman, the attacking batsman LB Sunil. Great batted. He completed his 50 runs in this match. Well done, LB Sunil. You're making runs on scoreboard and help your team. Great bowling by the bowler VV Gopal. Good thinking by the batsman. It's a dot ball. I think LB Sunil is watching Gopal's bowling to hit the ball. Yes, definitely. It's a biggest one. It's a biggie. 6 signal by the umpire. Again, it's a sixer. Second sixer in this over. 6 signal by the umpire. It's a boundary. Boundary signal by the umpire. Next over by David Melvin coming from scorer's end. The informed batsman, the attacking batsman LB Sunil on striking. Another side, Shankar Narayan on non-striking. Oh, it's a biggest one. Oh my God. It's the biggest sixer. Six signal by the umpire. Sunil is hitting into the stands. Big biggie one. Well done, Sunil. You are on 85 runs in 44 balls. You need just 15 runs to complete your first century in Vizag Big Bash seasons. In case you complete your first century in Vizag Big Bash, this is the first century in all Vizag Big Bash seasons. Come on, LB Sunil. LB Sunil on striking. Waiting for another sixer from him. Oh God. This is also sixer. Second sixer in this over. Repeated back-to-back sixers in this over. Two sixes in this over. Six signal by the umpire. He need only 9 runs to complete his first century in Vizag Big Bash season. Balls left only 4 to complete this first innings. And LB Sunil need only 9 runs to complete his first century in this match. And as well as all Big Bash seasons. Oh yeah, trick sixes in this over. This is also a biggie one. Biggest sixer. 6 signal by the umpire. LB Sunil on 97 in 46 balls. He need only 3 runs in last 3 balls. Definitely today is the first century recording in Vizag Big Bash season. LB Sunil is looking for sixer. LB Sunil is looking for 4 sixer in this over to complete his first century in Vizag Big Bash. Oh God, he's a sixer. It's a sixer. 6 signal by the umpire. First century recorded in the Vizag Big Bash seasons. This is the first century in all seasons for Vizag Big Bash. Well done, Sunil. Well done. Very, very well done, Sunil. We appreciate your innings. Great comeback by Vizag Blues. Well done, guys. And this is the 4th sixer in this over. Back-to-back sixers. It's a sixers right in the ground. Last 2 balls to complete this innings. Come on, Sunil. We need 2 sixes. Another 2 sixes in this over. Oh, it's a boundary signal by umpire. Great batting by the LB Sunil. You guys, did you know this is the highest score in this Vizag Big Bash? Before this, 229 is the highest score. Now this one is the highest score recorded in today. Single taken. That's the close. First innings completed. End of the innings for Vizag Blue CC. Vizag Blue CC scored 232 runs, a loss of 5 wickets. Great comeback and great effort by the Vizag Blue CC.